Hi everyone! Today we are building a wooden bridge. Seeing I ordered on Amazon, it's gonna be the second part of our front yard renovation home improvement project. So it's a DIY kit for a bridge. So we're gonna have a little fake river, we got some stone, and we have a wishing well, and this will be the bridge, like a Japanese garden kind of bridge. So yep, gonna install it now. Alright, 圆形的。We're using these for securement. Yeah, keep going. Right, we got the bridge frame finish right here, the beams. Now Sina is gonna lay the walkway. The walkway.
I think we need to do one in the center, one on each side, so it's easier.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Much closer. Much closer. That, yeah. Much closer. Yep.
Just lay it. 哦，越来越有样子了。真是 I gave you a bunch and you only crop one.
Yeah. And then we're gonna screw it down. And then we're done. Almost finished. Last bits of it. Alright, I'll finish. Want to test run it? Test walk it, Tina.
I was just sitting on it.
Oh, me turn. Oh, jump. Very steady. Yay, we finish. Give me fight. Yeah, your hand is dirty. Look at how dirty your hand is. I washed it already. Then we can move it outside now.
Yeah, but we need to put all the way.
Let the cat walk.
No, this one's gonna get dirty.
Okay, bridge here. Bridge.
Now I'm gonna put a stepping
Oh.
stone
Over. Okay.
Stepping stone here and there. So we need probably 6.
Hey, walk it. It's pretty nice. There it is.